Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making an island scenery. Let's get started. So first, I am making a big rock type of structure to make the main base of the island. And after that, I am making a coconut tree, thick at the bottom and very thin at the top. And from the top, we'll take out some curves out of which we are going to make leaves. And now the leaves are to be pointed. We'll make a sleeping line, a triangle inwards, and keep doing that. Now on the left side and on the right side, the leaves will be shown on only one side. So we won't be making them both sides, but on the top leaf, the leaf will be visible on both sides. After this, I'm making one more coconut tree, smaller, using the same method. After this, I'm making a little bush at the bottom and some coconuts, ovals, and then a zigzag on them. Then erase the extra lines. Next, I'm making some lines on the coconut stem . And then some rocks and grass. After that, I'm making a line in the background to show the sea and the sky. I've made the sun using a bottle cap. You can make it using your compass and then make sun rays. After that, I'm making a yacht. For that, I'm making a trapezoid, a straight line, a triangle on top, two curves, another curve, and a straight line, and a straight line, another straight line, and then waves to erase the bottom. Next, I'm making these waves in a type of circular motion around the little island. And once I'm done with that, I'm making two clouds and some birds. I'm doing a little bit of shading, and our drawing is done. Thanks for watching. Bye.